Meaning of Eveready.
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 Eveready. Eveready is a brand name that originated from the words ever and ready. It is commonly associated with batteries and flashlights, and the term implies long-lasting power and reliability. The brand was first established in the early 1900s and has since become a well-known household name across many countries. Consumers associate the Eveready brand with quality and durability, making it a popular choice for those who require reliable power solutions. Overall, Eveready signifies dependability and longevity, which have helped it maintain its popularity over the years.